Hello, Julian Bakery fans. Today we have made a delicious little primal wrap. It can be paleo. I decided to use some grass-fed cheese, but this is a keto paleo meal. Very easy. We got some grilled chicken, salsa, avocado, and some Applegate uncured pepperoni for additional flavor. I squeezed a little lime onto the chicken for some great citrusy chicken. And this whole meal right here is high protein, high fiber, ton of healthy fats, and we'll show you how strong the wraps are and pliable. They're just like a tortilla, and they hold everything in there nice and tight. And this is a high protein, low carb, just delicious meal. It was extremely easy to make. Pick up Julian Bakery Paleo Wraps today at julianbakery.com/paleo. Use promo code 1776. Try them out today. They're also available on Amazon. If you're Prime, you get free shipping. So check it out today and make these easy wraps for yourself.